Today we're going to do homemade pasta. We start with about a half a cup of flour. Start by fluffing that flour a little bit. Use a little bit of water. Be careful not to add too much water. Probably about a 1/16 of a cup. We want it to look a little bit like couscous. If it starts to stick together, there's too much water. And it won't take very long at all. Almost the right consistency. So I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of oil. Smooth it out a bit. You can see that small pieces of pasta form a small, smooth ball of dough. Using the food processor is the equivalent of probably 10 or 15 minutes of kneading the pasta. And I'm going to lightly flour my board here and just coat the pasta with some flour. This is the pasta machine. You can do this by hand with a rolling pin. A little bit. And each time is just bring that in a little bit more. And if the pasta feels a little bit sticky, dust it a little bit with the flour. Do one more time. Turn it into noodles. Feed this right in. Use a chopstick. Let's head over here. This is soup from the wok baked chicken. They covered up the carcass with some water, boiled it up, and it's made some really nice broth. I'm going to cut up some of the chicken, add that to the broth. We want this to be boiling. These are our eggs, and I'll put 2 in. And those will cook in about 2 minutes. And what I'll do now is slide this pasta, turn the chopstick, a quick stir, sliced scallions from our garden, some green onions, those right in. Those noodles are done. Eggs, soft boiled. See, there's a nice soft boiled egg. Some very, very fresh ramen soup. We'll see you next time.